Hello, Smith. It was nice hearing from you, and I would like to congratulate ABC Design Company for expanding from 50 to 150 employees. But definitely with expansion, challenges must have also expanded. That's why you wrote this email to me and you want to know the insights of Trello. I extend all my services and make sure that I will convince you at the end of the day that why you should prefer Trello over Asana. So starting with the three basic features of Trello. The very first feature is that you have the right to create different boards. These boards provide you the facility of managing tasks at different levels. Like the top management can have access of the project board, your project managers will be having the access of the deliverables board, and your team members will be having the access of the team task dashboard. So through this, they can manage their domain very easily. So you need not to worry that to which person you need to assign which task. Either you will be giving them tasks in the form of a printed format, or you need to create sticky notes, remember to which person you want to give which task. So this problem will get easily resolved by having board structure of Trello. The second feature is Butler. Butler reduces the task of creating codes and learning programming languages. You just need to set the rules, and these rules will ensure that nothing is skipped and missed by any of the team member. Like, if I have missed my task which I was supposed to perform yesterday, so my task will automatically move to the overdue status, and a notification will pop in that I have skipped and my task is now overdue. This is how I can easily time track my task. And you need not to set any policy, the performance is automatically calculated. The third feature is that you can utilize different views when it comes to making decisions or when it comes to adding tasks. So when you want the detailed review, you can go to the mattress view of the Trello. And if your top management just want to review the progress and evaluate the performance of the employees, they can go to the graphical view. And that dashboard can give them graphical icons in the form of charts, in the form of bars. From there, they can decide how to move on and how to further speed up the progress of the project. Now, when we talk about the features, definitely with features, challenges are also associated. So the competitor is the biggest challenge of every feature that a product offers. When I talk about Trello, Asana is there. Now, why I'm not referring you Asana over Trello, because I have used it. So you cannot assign multiple assignees over a single task in Asana, whereas in Trello you can. You cannot time track on Asana, whereas on Trello you can. Right? You have limited access when it comes to features in Asana, but Trello provides you the facility of even integrating different applications with it. So that's one question that I would like to answer, that why I prefer Trello over Asana. The second is your concern when it comes to the premium and free trial. Definitely for the first year, you can enjoy your free trial and explore that how Trello works and build your entire team compatibility with the software. But definitely when it's free, it has limited access. It will have limited features because there are no freelancers in this world. So to enjoy the optimum and to enjoy the maximum, you need to pay accordingly. So you can have even a premium for a month on a per user basis, like you can buy it for yourself so that at least you can know what other features Trello is offering. And later, if you are satisfied, you can buy it for your entire firm as an annual premium package. I hope that I must have answered all your queries, and I am 100% available to guide you further for any further ambiguities that you have. It was nice talking to you. Thanks.